Few factors that the universe is speaking to you. 1. When you're repeatedly seeing the same synchronicity, such as repeating numbers on your phone, plate numbers, or receipts. 2. When you ask for a sign at random, the first thing that comes to your mind should be the sign you should ask for. 3. When it teaches you to live alone or to be cut off from the friends you once hang around with. 4. It can seem like nothing ever goes your way when things are challenging. Pay close attention to your mistakes and rectify them. 5. Unusual people come up to you and ask your opinion or offer you advice. 6. You are repeatedly placed in familiar situations to remind you of what has happened to you in the past. Either you take it positively to see whether you learned the lesson. At the very least, forgive yourself for making the wrong choice you made. 7. When you follow being righteous, you can plainly see the direction you should be taking. 8. People or situations that you used to focus on suddenly appear when you let go. 9. You are being reminded to meditate. Take good care of your body, take care of your inner self, and discover peace and happiness within yourself. 10. God provided you with a solution and continues to support you even when you want to give up. 11. You notice relevant words that apply to your situation. 12. When things suddenly align and resonate with your energy, the right individuals enter your life. 13. When you realize what you genuinely desire and what you want to accomplish in your life. 14. You develop emotional self-control when something triggers a strong emotion. And 15. Because you are aware that words have a great power to manifest, you are now being extra careful with your words at this point.